Obsession isn't built on politeness. It's built on warfare, emotional warfare. In this video, I'll show you psychological secrets to make people addicted to your presence. Use them to make anyone in this world like and admire you, or even obsessed with you. I will explain to you step by step how to become the center of attention for the people around you. This can be used to make yourself the most important person in your environment, whether at school or work. Or you can use it to manipulate people and turn anyone into just a toy in your hands. I am not responsible for how you choose to use the knowledge I provide in this video. Let's dissect the anatomy of obsession. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience. Your brain craves self-disclosure like a drug. Studies show talking about yourself activates the nucleus accumbens, the same region lit up by cocaine. So when you ask, "What's the story you're afraid to tell?" instead of, "How's work?" you're injecting dopamine straight into their veins. Use the power question paradox. Ask questions to increase their dopamine. What's the one objective you're terrified to pursue? What's the one exercise you hate to hit in the gym? Watch their pupils dilate, their voice quickens. They're not just answering, they're addicted to your curiosity. Silence is a weapon. It triggers the amygdala, the brain's fear center. When you stare into their eyes for 3 seconds after they speak, no blinking, their body releases cortisol, stress hormones. They'll rush to fill the void, oversharing secrets they'd never tell a nice person. On a date? After they answer a difficult question, lean back. Cross your arms. Let the silence scream, "I know you're hiding something." They'll crack. Big discussion with your bro. Relax and be silent. They'll keep throwing excuses so you can calm them down when they are exhausted. The vulnerability spike. Self-disclosure triggers oxytocin, the bonding hormone. But here's the twist. If you fake a secret first, their brain forces reciprocity. Say, "I shouldn't tell you this, but I secretly hate my job." Their primal urge to match your vulnerability will make them spill real secrets. Confess something trivial like, "I am thinking about quitting." They'll reciprocate with their own insecurities. Suddenly, you're their therapist. Cognitive dissonance theory. Humans hate conflicting self-views. Use that to plant insecurity seeds. Drop a line like, "You're smarter than people realize, aren't you?" Now their brain races. "Do others think I'm dumb?" They'll seek your approval to resolve the tension. At a party? Observe, identify something different, and tell an attractive stranger, "You're different from what I expected." They'll chase you all night to decode the mystery of what you observed. Once you create a connection with someone, use addiction withdrawal. Unpredictable rewards hook harder than constant ones. After a deep talk, ghost them for 48 hours. Their brain replays your interaction on loop, craving the dopamine hit you gave them. It's the same psychology behind slot machines, and why exes stalk Instagram at 2 a.m. This isn't manipulation, it's human nature. You're not exploiting weaknesses, you're using psychology language. Master it, and you'll never be forgotten. Let's cut through the guilt. You're thinking, "This feels manipulative." Good. That means you're human. But here's the truth. All communication is manipulation. When you smile to seem friendly, that's manipulation. When you dress to impress, that's manipulation. The difference? Weak people manipulate to hide. You'll manipulate to reveal their deepest fears, their hidden desires. This isn't about control, it's about clarity. No scripts, no acting, just observing. If you can notice a yawn, you can notice a weak point. And if you're still clutching your moral high ground, ask yourself, would I rather be good or unforgettable? Here's the cold truth. You're not too kind, you're too scared. You hide behind niceness because you're terrified of rejection. The world doesn't reward saints, it rewards strategists. Think of your brain as a factory. Right now it's producing excuses. I don't have time. What if they hate me? Shut it down, rewire it. Use operant conditioning on yourself. Still think you're introverted? Neuroscience disagrees. Mirror neurons don't care about your personality. They fire the same whether you're a wallflower or a warlord. Time to choose. Option 1, close this video. Crawl back to your nice life. Watch coworkers steal your promotions. Watch crushes friendzone you. Watch your tombstone read, liked by many, remembered by none. Option 2, try one tactic today, just one. Stay sharp or stay forgotten.